guys, this is Stephanie. Welcome to Stephanie's Journey. For those of you who are here for the very first time, welcome. And for those of you who are returning, welcome back. Today I am doing a Thai green curry recipe. I go to this restaurant at lunchtime and they make this green curry and it has fish in it. So today I'm going to try to make a mock version of that. I'm going to list up here, I put it on the screen, of the actual recipe from the menu and the things they use in it, and I'm going to make mine a little bit different than that. However, that's what I'm basing it on. So if you would like to see how I make my Thai green curry, then stick around and stay tuned. Okay, I had some tofu marinating in my bacon seasoning and I have placed it all in my little pan, and I'm going to put it in my toaster oven and let this cook while I start with my recipe. Okay, for this recipe I have 1 small eggplant, I have 3 small sweet bell peppers cut up, I have a little small can of bamboo shoots, I have a pack of shiitake mushrooms. Here I have some basil cut up. It isn't Thai basil, but it's just regular basil. So I have that because I couldn't find any Thai basil. I have 1 can of coconut milk. I have 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I have 1 lemongrass stalk. I have a little bit, probably a thumb's worth of ginger that I have cut up a little bit, and I have some green curry paste that I got, and this is 3 times hot, but it is vegan, as you can see, and it just has the ingredients is green chilies, garlic, lemongrass, galangal, Thai ginger, salt, shallot, spices, and kefir lime. So if you make it yourself, these are all the things you put in it, but I wasn't going to make that because I couldn't find, well, I won't say I couldn't find all the ingredients, I didn't look, I just needed to find one that was vegan. So I'm going to try this, and maybe a little spicy, but we'll see. I didn't taste it. I did take everything off of it and open it up. Let's see. Nope, it's not too spicy. Well, it got a little kick to it, but the coconut milk should calm that down some. So this is all the ingredients that I have. So we'll get started. And if you don't know, 3 teaspoons is 1 tablespoon. So we're going to put 2 tablespoons in here. And 6. And I may add a little bit more, but we will see. I got my wooden spoon. And this is 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil. I'm going to pour, and I shook this up, this can, but I'm going to pour probably half of this in now. And I may add a little bit more of the green curry because I do have a lot of vegetables. I'm going to add 1 more teaspoon. And I'm going to throw in the lemongrass. And because it takes, everything cooks fast that I have except for the eggplant. So I'm going to put the eggplant in here first and saute that and let it cook down some because it's going to take the longest to cook. And you can cook them first before you put them in the sauce. It really doesn't matter which order you do it. You can do it either way. But I prefer to cook it in the sauce because eggplant soaks up that flavor. So we're going to let this cook down some, and I'm going to put a top on that and let it cook down just a little bit, and then we'll go from there. Okay, the eggplant has gotten pretty tender, enough to start with the other vegetables. So I am going to put in the mushrooms, and this is a large amount of vegetables. Pour in the ginger, and then I am going to pour in the rest of this coconut milk, and let's stir this up, and let's put the top back on it. I may add some more coconut milk. I don't know, that's probably enough, but let's let this cook down for a little while longer, and I'm going to put that top on there to steam, and then we'll come back. Okay, I'm going to add a little bit of coconut water to this, just so it can have a little bit more liquid. And this is 100% organic coconut water, and it doesn't have any sugars in it. So I just want to make sure I just have enough juice in here. And instead of using stock or anything like that, I just prefer to stick with the coconut for the sweetness and just let this simmer down some more. And this takes about 10 to 15 minutes to cook. And I'm going to put this over, since I'm doing keto, I'm going to put this over some cauliflower rice, or rice cauliflower, however you want to say it. And I'm going to go ahead and put some of this basil in here now and let that season up. And I have some saved too that I can put on at the end. Oh, it smells so delicious. So once this finished, we'll come back, so stay tuned. Okay, I have my cauliflower rice all finished, and I'm going to plate it up in this bowl here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scoop out some vegetables. And this should feed about 4 people, I would say. And I poured it out like that. I'm going to take some sauce out the bottom, pour it over the cauliflower. And then I also have my tofu. This is my baked tofu, and I'm going to take a few pieces, put them on the top, and then strategically place a few in there. And that is it. Okay guys, it is time for the taste test. Let's taste this green curry. Let's get a little bit of everything on the fork. So I got eggplant and mushrooms and bamboo shoots, as well as the peppers. Let's give it a taste. That's good. Let's see what it tastes like without having rice and using the cauliflower. See if you have that same effect. I pour some of the juice over the cauliflower so it can suck in some of that flavor. And I can say this curry is not spicy, maybe because I toned it down a little bit with the coconut water, but it's not spicy at all. So that is so good. Then I added my baked tofu. Guys, I think this is better than the restaurants. I didn't put any more basil on the top because I forgot, but I put some in it. It's flavored very well. It's not super sweet because I didn't add any additional sugar in it. You can, if you like that real sweetness, you can add some coconut sugar or any sugar of your choice, but I would use coconut sugar since it's a coconut based dish. I would add a couple of tablespoons of sugar if you want to. I really don't like the really sweet, and at the restaurant I go to, it's not super sweet. It's about a mild sweetness like this because the curry paste actually has some sugar in it. So to me it's enough sugar, but it's all up to you. However you cook it, you can comment below and let me know. If you try it and you adjust the ingredients, put that in the comment section below as well. For other people, they may want to try it your way. And if you try it my way and like it, just let me know. That is it, guys. Thank you guys for stopping by my channel. I hope that you really enjoyed the video. Be sure to thumbs up, like, comment, and share. And yeah, thank you guys for stopping by, and I look forward to seeing you all in my very next video. Bye bye.